Hey, what's going on? I'm Dr. Josh. One of the things that drives me nuts as a healthcare provider, I want to market to people and have them trust me with their healthcare. And I can't tell you how many times I've presented out at country clubs and gyms and everything, and there's this lack of belief. There's this little wall there. So, one great way that you can solve that, if you run into that as well, is by providing more information. So, one of the things within our Trust Driven Care platform is the ability to build courses or membership courses. You can give them away for free. You can charge money for them. You can only let them go for members. You could allow patients to have access, and when they get discharged, their access ends. But basically, I built these courses in here to provide more information. So let me show you what one of them looks like. So it'd be this. It's just a simple course of, these are all video lessons, right? And they click on the video lesson and complete them. And within it, you can even allow for prizes, completion certificates, anything you want to do once they finish a certain section. So these can work well for people who are already patients, or where I like to use them is on the front end, when you're marketing to a group of people you want to have as patients, send them some info between the time you market to them and the time they sign up for an appointment, so they believe and understand what's going on. I think that's a great use of these, and I hope it's a great use for you. We'll see ya.